packing has to do with manifesting a trip. And I'm just going to say that if you want to manifest travel in your life, learning how to be a better packer, how to be more organized, how to do what I call the shoe math and take as few shoes with you as possible, and always, always, always having your toiletries and your cosmetics ready to go in a moment's notice is really essential to you being able to manifest trips quickly. I'm leaving for New York this afternoon, but I also had other invitations to go on other trips that are all this week. And so when I say that I am a master manifester, I'm not kidding. These things come to me so easily and so quickly. It's not, is it going to happen? It's, which offer am I going to take? So of course, I'm going to New York with my boyfriend George. My best friend is going to Disney World and asked me to come along with her. And another very, very good friend of mine that I travel very well with called and said, do I have a ticket to Hawaii? Because he's leaving, and all I needed was a plane ticket. So 3 different trips that I could have gone on in this one week with 3 people that I absolutely love and adore. And that just goes to show you that I've manifested the people in my life that I need in my circle, the same people that like to do the same kinds of things that I do. And that I'm always ready. I'm always ready to go. Always have my makeup and my toiletry bag ready to go, my hand sanitizer and cough drops. Everything that I need to go and leave immediately and travel is ready. So I pulled these things out after looking on Pinterest to see what people are wearing in the winter in New York City. Of course, it's cold. It's going to be a little bit rainy while we're there. And I don't have my raincoat here or my coat. I'm currently wearing a sweater and a pair of jeans. I'm going to wear my longest, heaviest boots that are in that bag underneath my jeans, bootcut jeans. And then I'm going to pack my little dress booties and a little pair of flats. That way I can switch. So I'm going to take 3 pairs of shoes with me. I'm taking 2 dresses, 2 skirts, 1, 2, 3, 4 tops, and a sweater, a raincoat, and a regular coat, and a couple of scarves, and my jewelry. So, and I'm going to pack it all in a little tiny backpack. So I'm going to set this camera down so I can roll up my clothes and show you how I make it all fit in my backpack. I love this backpack, and I got it at Walmart for $25, and it definitely fits everything that I need to go away for the weekend. I always wrap my shoes in those plastic bags so that they don't touch my clothes. And I always roll my clothes up super tight and start with the heaviest, biggest things and put them on the bottom. Or I start with the things that I know that I am not going to need within the first 10 to 12 hours of getting there. So, like I said, I got that backpack at Walmart. It is the size that is allowed on all the economy airlines as your personal one item to fly with. This particular trip, we were flying on United, and they have a policy 1 bag with certain tickets, with your economy ticket. And so I don't really remember the exact price for the plane tickets, but I know for sure it was a 1-way flight straight from New Orleans to LaGuardia for under $200 per person. Because we travel so much, we try to make it cost efficient. So, ooh, I need a new makeup bag, don't I, guys? But that one fits perfect, exactly where I need it. It has everything that I need in it all the time. And I keep my medicine, hand sanitizer, cough drops in those front little pockets. So if I eat a spicy sandwich, I can take a heartburn medicine. Everything is right on top that I need. Okay, I did it. I got it all in this bag except for the sweater, which would fit, but I'm going to carry this with me on the airplane. In my bag, I have my raincoat folded up in there, in my little tiny carry bag, like my purse.
my book, and then I was looking all over the place for my glasses, but they are right here on my head. So I am going to stick them down in the side pocket with my water bottle and my phone as soon as I finish making this video for you. And I hope that that was helpful to you to see how I pack and how I'm always ready to go on a trip, because that is my ultimate goal. And for me personally, is to always be ready to go on a journey and to travel as much as I possibly can while I can. And this is my third trip to New York. I know I said that already, but how fantastic to manifest 3 trips to New York since November the 18th. I am so excited. I love going to New York. I love traveling, and that is what I aspire to do with all my vision boards. And, you know, that's what I want to do. So that's what I'm doing. So traveling may not be your thing. Maybe you want to manifest a relationship this year. Maybe you want to manifest a new body this year. Maybe you just want to manifest, a car. Who knows what you are trying to manifest into your life. But we can approach it the same exact way through using vision boards, affirmations, gratitude journaling, and practicing, and then always being ready, being what I like to call an opportunity expert. Always be ready for the things that you're asking for, be ready to receive them. And then most importantly, you have to believe, you always have to believe that they're going to happen for you. And that's what I do. I believe that I'm always going to get to travel, that I'm going to have all these offers. And I did. The trip to Hawaii, the trip to Disney World, or this trip to New York, all 3 at the same time. That's amazing to me. What a wonderful problem to have, to turn down trips. So I'm going to have a fantastic weekend. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. And until Monday, happy manifesting.